Dear student, welcome to all of you in my online math video class. In my last video class, I will just explain about the chapter 4, which is linear inequation. That was first video, part 1 video related to the topic. This is the second part of the video. In this, I will explain about the solving linear equation in one variable. Solving linear equation in equation, it should be in equations in one variable. In first video, I explained what is the standard form of the linear equation. I think you know also the standard form of the linear equation is ax plus b less than greater than 0, ax plus b less than 0, ax plus b greater than equal to 0, and here ax plus b less than equal to 0. This is the 4 standard form of the linear equation where a b belongs to a real number, okay, and a is not equal to 0. Here it should be a real number, not integer, okay. In my first video, by mistake I write here integer, but it should be a real number. Means a b, which is the real number, but value of a should not be equal to 0. Now let us discuss about the solving linear inequation in one variable. How we will solve this? If we write any linear equation, then regarding the solution of that linear inequation, we have some process. Just like if we write here 3x minus 1 greater than 5. Okay. So first of all, we try to do the first thing. X, it should be positive. X should be positive means variable should be positive. Variable, it should be positive. And the second thing is coefficient of variable should be equal to 1. Coefficient of variable should be equal to 1. First two things, what is important? The variable should be positive, and the second, coefficient of variable should be equal to 1. In this condition, you will feel easy during the solving the inequations. Now, what we can do during solving inequation? The first one, we can add or subtract both sides. Okay, we can add or subtract both sides just like equation. Okay, here if we add plus 1 both sides, then what will be? It will be 3x minus 1 plus 1, and here 5 plus 1. Then its value will be 3x, and here this cancel, and it will be 6. It means if we add or subtract both sides, there will be no effect on the inequation. Okay. The second thing is what? The second thing is we can multiply or divide both sides also, just like equation. Here if we divide both sides by 3, or we can say we can multiply this equation first by 1 by 3. Here we can we just divide it by 3, or we can multiply it by 1 by 3. Then what is the condition? 3x into 1 by 3. Here 6 into 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3. Then here 3 cancel, and here 3 2 is 6. Then value of x is greater than 2. Okay, it means we can add or subtract both the sides properly, and we can multiply or divide both the side. Then there will be no effect in the inequation. Now there is a very important thing regarding the inequation, that is if we have minus 3 less than x, or here we can write minus 3 less than minus x. Then if we multiply both sides by the negative sign, just like here minus 3 into minus 1, if we write, then here also x minus 1, multiply both sides. In that case, sign of inequation will be changed. Okay. Okay. If we multiply or divide by the negative sign in both sides, then the sign of inequation will be changed. Again, with example, again just like here, -3 greater than equal to x, and if we multiply by minus sign, then it will be 3 less than equal to -x, like that. Again, if we have this equation, let x belongs to, if x belongs to natural number, okay, x belongs to natural number and -6x is greater than or equal to 12, greater than or equal to 12, then divide by -6, then it will be x. Here the sign of inequation will be changed. Here the sign of inequation is changed and it will be 6 2 are 12, then it will be -2. Okay, here -6x is equal to 12, then it will be 6 greater than equal to -2, and what we do, dividing by -6, the value will be, the sign of inequation will be changed. In this way, during finding the solution of the question, we will follow this rule. Now I would like to explain some question whatever asked in different year. See the book, some questions are given whatever asked in different year. It is not possible to solve all the question here. I would solve some question which is asked in last year. Let us see about the question number, this one question which is asked in 2006. This is asked in 2006. The question is, given that x belongs to R, solve the following inequation and graph the solution on the number line. What is the question? That is -1 less than equal to 3 plus 4x and here 23, where x belongs to R. Means here the replacement set is what? Real number. This is working as replacement set. Getting? Now what we do? We take, for make it easy, we just make it two case first. No, we can solve directly also, but it will be easy if we make two case first and case second. Case first, we will take one inequation, symbol of inequation, and in case second we take the second sign of inequation. So here in the case first, it will be -1 less than equal to 3 plus 4x. Okay, and in case second, it will be 3 plus 4x less than 23, like this way. Okay, so here how we solve? This implies that then here it will be, what was the first condition? Make x always positive and the coefficient should be 1. So here, to make it positive and its coefficient 1, first of all we just remove 3 from this side. Okay, so how it is possible? If we subtract 3 from both sides, or we can say if we add +3, if we add -3 from both sides, then it will be -1 -3, and here 3 plus 4x minus 3. What we write? Add -3. Okay, then its value will be -4, and here the 3 and this 3 will be cancelled. It will be 4x. Okay, again what we can do? -1. How? We want to make the coefficient of x 1. Okay, how it is possible? We should divide it by 4. Since we divide it by +4, then sign of inequation will not be changed. So here it will be -1 and less than equal to x. What we are doing? Just divided by divided by 4. Divided by 4. Okay, in this way, this is the question first from the case 1. Similarly, we do in case second also. How we do it? Just like here, what we want? We want to remove 3. How it is possible? Just to subtract 3 from both sides. Then it will be 4x, and less than it will be 20. What do you write here? Subtract 3 from both sides. Then again it will be x, and here 20 by 4. 20 by 4. Then we can write it is 5. What do we write? Divided by 4. Divided by 4. Now this is equation second. Okay. Now from first and second. Look here. Here from first and second, the value of x is greater than or equal to -1 but less than 1. Okay. This is the final value of x, which is vary from -1 to 5, but we can take -1 as a solution of x, but not 5, but all the value in between -1 and 5. Since here after that, what will we write here? After this we write this side. After this, since but we write but x belongs to a real number, and if x belongs to real number, then solution set cannot be written in the form of roster method. We will write the solution set in rule method. So here solution set, therefore the solution set is equal to x such that x belongs to R. Then okay, and after that here after that -1 less than equal to x less than 5. Okay, this is the solution set. Now again the answer is not complete. Why? Because the question was represent the solution set on the number line. How we represent the solution set on the number line? For this we just make a number line here. Here 0, -1, -2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The value of x is -1 also. Then here we make a dot here, but not a 5. Means this is a closed open interval, just like closed open interval. In closed open interval, here -1 is a solution of, means -1 is the value of x, but 5 is not the value of x. Therefore here open. Okay. Now we just close and make a dot. Okay. This is the representation of the solution set on the number line. This is the solution set. Okay, this is the final answer of the question.